Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Garima Singh and in today's video, we are going to discuss some of the fascinating and the fun facts about our nation India, which I have named as Did You Know Facts. Did you know India is the world's largest, oldest and the continuous civilization? And also our country is named after the river Indus, which was known by the name of the river Sindhu. Another amazing fact here is, did you know Himalayas grow every year? Yes, it grows taller by 2 inches every year. Thinking about the magic behind it? No guys, there is no as such magic. It involves science. The tectonic plate under the earth's crust, which led to the formation of Himalayas, are still moving and are leading to increase of 2 inches every year. Also, India has the world's highest post office at a place called Sikkim in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Along with this, we also have India's first floating post office at Dal Lake in Srinagar in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Did you know the world's most visited place? Seems like something you must have also visited, and it's none other than the Golden Temple in Amritsar in the state of Punjab. Also, we have the wettest inhabited place in the world. It lies in the Khasi Hills of Meghalaya at a place called Mawsyn Ram. Did you know that diamonds were first mined here in India? And the famous diamond Kohinoor, it also belonged to our nation only. Talking about another amazing fact, did you know the world's oldest inhabited city in the world today, which was also called the ancient city in 500 BC, is Varanasi. India has also made a significant achievement in the whole world. India's first moon satellite Chandrayaan-1 was the first one in the world to detect water on moon, and for this achievement we were lauded by the world. Talking about another common commodity, it is shampoo that we use in our daily lives. The shampoos were also first invented here in our nation India. Talking more about our nation, we do not have national language or a national religion. India being a diverse nation, we have diverse language and different people coming together and living together. Also, India is the largest producer of the milk in the world. Now, more amazing fact about our nation is, the largest religious gathering of our nation can be seen from this space. Imagine how huge is our religious gathering. Also, we have the world's highest cricket stadium in the state of Himachal Pradesh, and it is the Chel Cricket Stadium. Also, we have contributed in the invention of zero, and also we have contributed significantly 5,000 years ago only in the invention of yoga, and also contributed in finding the world's cheapest car. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching Economics Window by Garima Singh, and if you really like this video and enjoy watching the fun facts, then do not hesitate to press in the thumbs up icon, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe and help us grow each day. Thank you so much.